back to the 7th installment of UkuLesson with Ella. I'm Ella. Thanks so much for being here. We have a pretty chill day today since last time we learned 4 new chords and played one pretty difficult song. So this week we're learning 2 chords, pretty simple chords that use only our 1 and 2 fingers. And then we will be playing My Girl by the Temptations using those chords. If you are new with us, I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for tuning in. And if you've been watching since the beginning, thanks so much. I'm glad to see you here again, and let's get started. So the first chord we're going to learn is A. It's very simple, and it's very similar to that F chord that we already know. So to play A, you're going to take your first finger and put it right here on the 3rd string above that 1st fret, and then you're going to take your 2nd finger and you're going to put it on that 4th string below the 1st fret, okay? Looks like this. Very similar to F, which is like this, okay? So this is A, and this is F. All right, so A, strum down on that for me. All right. All right, so that's A. And the next chord we're going to learn is A7, which is also very simple, just using our 1st finger here, and it's going to go on that 3rd string above the 1st fret. And that's it. That's A7. All right, simple enough. So now we are going to go ahead and dive right into our song. Like I said, it's going to be My Girl by the Temptations. We are going to play the choruses and the verses, but probably not the outro since I don't generally play those during these lessons. So let's go ahead and get started. This song starts on C, and then eventually we will change keys. So get ready for that. We will be using G7, which we haven't used in a while, so I do want to remind you of what that looks like, okay? So this is G7. Okay, sounds like that. So we will be using G7 today, as well as D and E minor, which we've already learned. So let's dive into it, starting on that 1st verse. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. And now we'll move on to that 1st chorus. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl, my girl. And now that 2nd verse. I've got so much honey, the bees envy me. I've got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees. And then that 2nd chorus. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl, my girl. And now we're going to play that 1st verse after the key change to D. So we'll start on D now. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl, my girl. right, so now we are going to work on that transition from D to E minor. It's kind of a tricky one, so let's go ahead and get started on that. All right, so now let's go ahead and play that song all the way through. So starting on C. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I've got so much honey, the bees envy me. I've got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. All right, so excellent work today, you guys. It was a bit of a chill day because the lesson was so rigorous last time, learning 4 chords and playing that tough song. If there's anything you guys want to hear, any chords you want to play, let me know. Put it in the comments and I will make that happen for you guys. And I'll see you guys next week for another theme week, the Beatles.